Hola, hello everybody. I'm here at Costa Dulce in La Dulce Cocina with Elisa, our head chef, who is always happy to share her secrets about how to make the best and most delicious Nicaraguan food. Today we have on the menu corn tortillas, which are gluten-free and are very, very healthy. You can serve them with multiple things. You can also make tortillas of them, so that's what we're gonna do. Elisa's gonna explain everything, and then finally we're gonna serve them with some examples of how to serve the plate.
Necesitamos harina de maíz y el plástico para hacer la tortilla, agua, bueno, y un bol para hacer.
So we need corn flour, like a big cup like this, water, and these 2 rounds of plastic we will need to make the shape of the tortilla, and a bowl to prepare the mixture.
Y un cuarto de agua.
¿Cuánto agua necesita?
Es un cuarto de agua depende en la temperatura que estemos. Si es muy fría, necesitamos un poco. Pero como aquí en Nicaragua es muy caliente en estos tiempos, entonces posiblemente necesitemos una taza de agua para una taza de más seca.
So it's very important. So we had this cup of flour, and we did like a quarter of a vase water here in Nicaragua, but in your country you might need a little less, because when the temperature and the climate is more cold, then the structure will be less dry, because here it's really dry because of the temperature. And then you start preparing it manually, and the structure can be too soft, and the mixture should not fall apart.
Es necesario que la masa quede no seca, no muy aguada, porque si los queda muy seca, se los deporona, y si queda muy aguada, no los da el plástico. Entonces,
so when it's too wet, it won't stick to the plastic. When it's too dry, it will fall apart. So it's about finding this exact balance. It's always about that. It's very soft, but not dry. That's important. Okay, perfect.
Vamos a hacer la tortilla.
So you roll this kind of ball, and then you press it on the plastic.
Es un poco para estirar un poco bastante, cuando depende de la tortilla como la vayamos a hacer, si muy grande o es muy pequeña. Esta es muy pequeña.
So this is a real small one. Of course, you are free to make them a bit bigger. Pero cuando las haces más grande, está más difícil, ¿no?
Es un poco más difícil.
So when you make them bigger, it's also more difficult, because there's more likeliness that they might fall apart. So that's why the small ones are always the easy option. But if you feel like you want to challenge yourself in the future, go for a big tortilla. Ready to rumble, ready to go. Let's go inside to make them.
Ahora vamos adentro.
Yes. So we came inside to fry the tortilla. It's really important that you don't use any oil, and the pan needs to be really, really hot. So wait a little bit until it's on the hottest point, and then you put in the tortilla. We will fry them twice on each side to ensure the right structure. So after a minute or 2 minutes, you can turn it around. Then we're gonna turn around again, and again. So each side has been baked twice.
O apretar un poco para que ella suba de su cara. Su cara. Como podemos ver, ella sube un poco de arriba.
So that's how you'll know that it's ready, is when it starts to rise. So the dough will start rising when it starts coming up. It's almost ready. So you will notice that by the end.
Vamos por la mitad.
Perfecto. We cut it in 4 little pans.
Yes. aceite de girasol.
Some sunflower oil. So you wait a bit until it's hot. I guess if you're at home and you have a fryer, you can also do it, but here in Nicaragua we do it in a pan. Entramos. Ready to eat, but of course we need some sides. Where are the sides? So do you remember the Pico de Gallo we made last week? We can serve it all together, or with traditional guacamole, or on a tortilla with vegetables, fish, chicken, whatever you prefer. We're gonna make way more, but for now, enjoy our delicious chips.